Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Suggest Th or E drivers of organizational change in the engineering industry. 14 marks. Organizational change in the engineering industry, like manufacturing or construction, is driven by factors that push companies to adapt. These drivers reshape processes and structures. This section suggests 3 key drivers, with examples. Firstly, technological advancements drive change. New tools or software require updated processes. For example, an engineering firm like Siemens adopts 3D printing, changing production designs to stay efficient. Secondly, market competition pushes change. Rivals offering better products force companies to innovate. For instance, a car manufacturer like Ford redesigns assembly lines to compete with Tesla's faster production. Lastly, regulatory changes demand adaptation. New safety or environmental rules require process updates. For example, a construction company like Balfour Beatty changes designs to meet stricter building codes, ensuring compliance. In conclusion, technological advancements, market competition, and regulatory changes drive organizational change in the engineering industry. Examples from Siemens, Ford, and Balfour Beatty show their impact. Companies must respond to these drivers to stay competitive and compliant.